Hi there, welcome back. Who doesn't love a keyboard shortcut to help make things faster and easier? Keystroke shortcuts are way quicker when we select data in Excel. If you ever find yourself scrolling down thousands of rows with a mouse, then these shortcuts will save you time. So let's get started. When we want to select the entire worksheet, we can also do this from the keyboard by pressing Ctrl+A twice. Great! The simplest way to select a range is to press and hold Shift and then use the arrow keys to highlight the cells. Now select the entire block of cells, move the cell pointer anywhere within the range and press Ctrl+A. Another way to press Ctrl+Shift+down arrow and then Ctrl+Shift+right arrow. But first, you must highlight the first cell, A1. Now you can select the entire column by merely pressing Ctrl+ spacebar. Good. Similarly, we can simply press Shift+ spacebar to select the entire row when we need to make multiple selections. For example, a selection that includes a non-adjacent range. There is a really nice trick. First of all, select the cell by pressing the Shift key and click the cell. A specific range is highlighted. If you want to choose the second range, there is a lovely trick. After the first selection, press Shift+F8. Now we can select another range without cancelling the previous range selection. Repeat this action as many times as you want. When you are finished, press Shift+F8 again. How cool is that? So many keystroke shortcuts to choose from and many ways to do your job faster. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.